Hey there everybody, I just washed up the car, got it all nice and clean, finally a good day out here. So I just wanted to take you around the car and look at the badges that I put on, the 392 badges from the new Challenger and from the 2019 Charger on the back. So I'm just going to walk you around here. So on this side, see, it's normally this side would have the 392 Hemi badge, but now it has this 392 kind of directional badge from the new Challenger. So, and actually, I thought it would look a little too small, but actually it looks pretty good from a distance away. Yeah, so it actually doesn't look too small on the car, and if you do plan on getting these for your car, you do need two separate part numbers, because on the other side it shows the B looking backwards, or else if you get the same one it would be looking forwards and it'd be kind of weird. So they each do have their own part numbers. So coming out back, we have, see, before I had the same B right here, but with the 6.4 under it. Now this is the one that just comes on the 2019 Charger Scatpacks, and it doesn't have the 6.4 or 392, it just has the B, which I kind of really like. It's kind of a stealthy look. You just get the Charger and then the B. So that's, and that one you can also get from Dodge. It's just have to find that part number. That one was about 30 bucks to get. And then if we walk around on this side, here is this. Well, this is what I was talking about. The B is looking backwards, so you do need a separate part number. So there's that 392. So just to give you guys a look at what, if you want to swap your big giant Hemi badges out for these, this is what it would look like. So far I'm really liking it, although I did like the 392 with the Hemi in red. It was nice to have the big lettering, but this is kind of stealthy, just a little badge. Kind of like it. So if anybody wants to do this to their cars, this is what it's going to look like. Or walk around here. Yep, so that's about all it for this video. Thanks for watching.